हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू शुगरिया फेस। माय नेम इज़ मयूरी। सो टाइटल देख के आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज हम केक बनाने वाले, बट दिस केक विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट. वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड एनी काइंड ऑफ wheat flour or all purpose flour or sugar or jaggery, anything in this. So you can call this as a diet cake. This cake will be having loads of fiber and even a diabetic person can have this. Also, if you are on diet, then you must watch this video because this will be your go-to cake. We can call it as a tea cake as well, and there will be no guilt while having this cake. So if you are on diet and craving for cake, then you should watch this video till the end. So let's begin the recipe. We'll take 10 to 15 dates, black dates, and we will de-seed them. So 10 is the minimum which will give the sweet flavor, but as per your taste you can add 12 or 15. Now I'm taking around 12 dates and de-seeding them. Then we'll add 1 cup of milk in it and keep it soaked for half an hour. Keep this aside and let's move ahead. So here is the hero of our dish. This is wheat bran or also called as आटे का चोकर. So you can buy this from grocery stores as well. और ये घर में जो आटा है उसको छनने के बाद जो लेफ्ट ओवर रहता है उसको भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. I have taken it 1.5 cup. So we'll give a little pulse in mixie because its texture is very coarse. अगर आपका ज़्यादा coarse नहीं है तो you can use it as it is as well. I'm keeping a little bit left because I want coarse texture also. तो बाद में हम इसको मिलाएंगे. So now the dates are soaked properly, so we'll make a fine paste of this. So let's get them drained. We will also use this milk. This is the main wet part of this cake, so it should be 1 cup as shown earlier. So once this paste is made, our preparation will be done and we will move towards the main recipe. So here are our all ingredients. This is wheat bran which we have pulsed already. Honey 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon curd, ghee, that is clarified butter, half cup. It's optional, these are dry berries, it's of your choice. And this is date paste जो हमने मिक्सी में चला के लिया था. So let's get started now. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda in this dry mix or wheat bran. Now we will move towards our wet ingredients. So in a mixing bowl, big bowl, we'll have butter, then we'll add honey and curd in it. If you are vegan, you can skip honey and curd as well, and you can use any oil instead of butter or ghee. So we'll blend all this well. Once it turns whitish, we will add our dates paste. So ये खजूर है जो इसको sweetness देगा. This is the only thing which will add sweetness. Let's give it a good mix now. So after this we will mix our dry berries into this wheat bran and baking powder mixture, and we'll add this into parts. So half of the portion I'm adding now. So due to its texture, wheat bran absorbs quite a lot of wetness or the milk. So we need to maintain the consistency of this batter. So if required, we will be adding some more milk in it. So let's get this mixed first. So I can see that this is not at all a flowy cake batter. So I will be adding some milk in it. So this is 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk I'm adding, and I believe that it will require some more milk as well because it soaks milk quickly. So we want some more flowy consistency, so we will add again 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk in it. So just keep checking for the batter consistency and then add your milk gradually. So this is the last batch of milk. We don't need any more now. So the batter is ready. Let's prepare our cake tin now. I've greased this cake tin with ghee and then dusted with wheat flour. You can use maida as well. Now let's pour the batter in it. Your cake tin should always have some room for cake to bake and get fluffed. So we'll give a good 2 to 3 taps and keep it for baking. I've used kadhai. You can use cooker or even oven as well. It takes at least 40 to 45 minutes to bake. You can check in between or after 40 minutes. So once it is get baked, it will look like this. This is almost like a mud cake. It will be not too spongy, but it will be very soft and yummy cake is ready now. So you can have it as a tea cake without any frosting or anything because it's a diet cake. But again, it's of your choice. You can add frostings or chocolate ganache to it to get served. So I'm not adding anything because I'm calling it as a diet cake. This is just a dash of rose syrup for a bit of fresh taste. Otherwise, this is very good to go with tea, coffee or even your green tea. So it's a muddy, soft, gooey cake. If you like the recipe, let me know in the comment, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for such interesting recipes. Thank you.